Alright, good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I am plotting out my maps, getting some fuel, topping up my toll cards so that we can get on the way and meet up with the Mustang Club because we have planned this Independence Day run, but the weather is pretty bad. So buckle up and enjoy the slow ride. Morning! We're going to Kandi place up in Clark so that we can meet up with Mark Savino and check out his place. We're supposed to have 100 cars, but I think the rain will deter how many cars show up. And then after that, we're going to bring the crew down to Classic Speed so that we can show them the car shop and hopefully one of them wants a classic car. My traction control is blinking. Hopefully the weather won't get worse, but yeah. These tires, no bueno. Not good in the rain. The Sport Cup 2s barely have any groove. And the tires are old. These tires have been drifted. So we'll go take a look at it when we get to the gas station. So we're just cruising, trying to make sure that we keep it in a straight line. I've seen a few Mustangs already on the road, but they're way ahead already. 110 people, 60 cars.
Yes.
Okay. President?
No, I'm not the president. I'm just organizer.
But thanks for organizing. And
yeah.
Rain or shine. Lakas.
Rain or shine, we're all here.
Here's the cars. So let's check out the cars this morning. Nice Mini Cooper with a wide kit. Look at that. The S550. This one's GT. It's got a kit. Nice. And then this is a stock one. The Cruise all here. Brought out the wrong horse for today. Still a horse, right? It's a horse. So the group's Rain or Shine, and then there's some Subarus over there. Morning! There's Subarus over there and Mustang galore over here. Love the colors. I like that color. We should make a car in that color. There are so many of them. As they were saying, there are 60 Mustangs coming out today and over 110 members, Rain or Shine. This is the new Mustang. I don't know what model number or what year model this is, but you can tell with the different grills and the light. So what I heard also, these new Mustangs, they're hard to tune. Let's check the rear, because I have zero clues on the rear. So it's a good comparison. So the rear now has this indentation. I haven't seen it side by side, so it's a good comparison. The hatch looks the same. So the rear bumper. And here, beautiful wagon. I love Subarus. This is a Levorg. So I wonder if there's a Subaru club meet also here. Used to have so many Subarus as well. So 2 car meets. We have a purple Stang over there. Oh, and a Miata. Wonder who brought the Miata. This one, nice color. It's same color as the M4. It's like a brushed purple. Maybe a little nicer than the M4 color. But I like that. Actually thinking of changing color for the M4. All right. So we're gonna leave in the next few minutes and then we're gonna head down to Kandi Palace. I have to take it super easy. I'm gonna show you my rear tires. It is not doing so good. So when you have tires, you have these grooves, right? PS4S, these are good tires for the rain. They detract water because they're able to spread it. Let's go check on my tires for my car. In the 60th anniversary, we saw this Mustang and I do love how it looks like Darth Vader. It's funny, they want to upgrade to the newer one. I do love the kits for the older one. They look so good. So these are called the S550 if I'm not mistaken. That is the chassis code. Nice carbon hood on this one. This kit looks so mean. It's like the other black kit, but this one is not matte. That's an original color. That's not a wrap. It's gonna take a while for me to get used to this face. Alright, let's compare the 2024 to the 2011 to 2014. This one looks like the Mustang completely from the old days. It's a reproduction, and then that one really has Charger-esque front, and he was right. I was thinking the same thing. The rear end looks like a Camaro in a sense. I don't know why. Something about this sweeping shape here gives Camaro vibes. I like that. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this new one? I really don't like how that breaks up also in that weird angle. But Scooby Club here, this looks like a VA. VA STI morning. Nice. Morning. Morning. Nice. This one's got a virus kit. Cars are still rolling in. Morning. Okay, I think the Subaru guys are leaving. Garage 1. So it looks like they're all from the same club. JDM. So they're rolling out. Morning. Thank you. Scooby boys. Wow. They're rolling out hard. Nice. Oh, I miss my STI now, but wow. Nice. Busy day today here. There's another one. There's the Leborg. Morning. Okay, so we're here now with the Mustang Club. So I think we're gonna roll out soon. Pulling out the club banner. Do you always have the club banner?
Oh yeah.
I brought this car out just to let you guys know. It's the Independence Day run.
Angie, pwede magpa-picture tayo.
Yes, yes. All right. Look at our tires. Barely any thread. And it's like, yep, this is not the rain tire we want today.
Photo.
Okay, going for a photo. All right. The group is organizing. We're gonna leave. Got our underglow on from Lit. Thank you. Bagay, diba?
Cool.
Got the underglow running. So we are the lead car. And I told them I'm fairly slow because of the traction control issues. 54 minutes. Clark South and then Kandi Place. Love it. The group is super friendly. Everyone's come out, rain or shine. Alright, let's leave this group safely. We'll see you guys in Clark. The nice thing with this club is they regroup. So we're waiting for everyone to get on the highway before we proceed. But because I'm the lead car, I can pace. The weather looks fairly clear, so I can push a little more. It's so badass. I just see Mustangs all over my rearview mirror. I don't know if you can see the Mustangs in the back, probably not. You guys are a little low. It is wet, but it was not wild. We're now here in Clark South and we're exiting. We're about 10 minutes away from Kandi Palace. And I don't know if the convoy kept tight, but I kept a super constant speed for them to stay behind us. And now, excited for breakfast. Mark was kind enough to prepare a plant-based breakfast for me. What I love about the Mustang Club is they like to regroup. They're not like other clubs where as soon as they go on a fun run, some people break off and then some people lag behind. This club likes to regroup to make sure that the club is tight, so when they arrive at the venue, presence. That's a good thing. So if you guys don't know, Mark Savino is an avid racer. He's also a British citizen who lives there in the Philippines now. And he's put up this amazing complex here at Clark. I love it. The club wants to regroup at the stoplight too. Morning! Salamat. So we do have an escort. That's badass. There's a local escort. Just look at how cold our tires are. Not warmed up at all. Have not been down here in a long while. God, probably 2 decades ago. How we're causing a scene. Just a small scene. It is early, it's Sunday, and the cops on the PA telling people to move out of the way. Move! Get out the way! So Kandi Palace is this white building over here. We have full permits to park our stuff on the road. Organizing. Thank you to our local barangay for helping us. Cherish is here. What's up, Stang Hero?
Hi.
Follow him. This is the Camaro of Mark. This is a track monster also. It's got the APR diffuser. Love the forged gold wheels. Lexan windows. Ready for action. Super front parking. The Independence Day car. Got the underglows too in white. Go through, go through, go through. Good morning. This is
Morning.
Mark Savino, the owner of your palace. Thank you for welcoming us to your palace.
Oh, it's my pleasure to have you all. We're hoping for better weather, but it is what it is, and it's going to be a lovely morning for sure.
Yes, excited. Thank you for making a plant-based breakfast for me.
You're going to like it for sure.
Yeah, but
Very good.
I love how you displayed the Camaro in a Mustang Mead, and I brought a Ferrari in the Mustang Mead.
Awesome. Yeah, I know.
We didn't get the memo.
Yeah, that's right. We've been rebels.
Yes, but Mark does have a Mustang in the
I do,
endurance
yeah,
race.
yeah.
He's competing this 12 hours.
To be fair, it's been prepared for the weekend, so it's not here. It's at Stang Hero.
Oh,
so
that's why it's not displayed.
She's a substitute.
Okay.
But it will be there next Sunday.
Yes,
Yeah.
excited to see you there next Sunday.
Sure.
Wow, who's that?
That's awesome, isn't it?
That's like wide bodied.
So, you're
Look at that.
here and then go to the shop?
Yeah.
Morning. Look at this place. Check out the design. Very interesting. And of course, Mustang video playing out. Is his real name Oscar? Yes? Oh my god. They're giving me a baby.
It's okay.
Oops, sorry.
Say hi. Hi. You just got the pictures before. Say hi.
Nice suit. Good coffee. You went all out. Look at
Chili oil. I did it mild, so there's the chili,
That-
add some fire.
that's amazing.
Guacamole, garlic lime.
I'm gonna go out now to film some of the cars. There you go. Thank you so much. That was
Yeah,
amazing.
going ahead.
This is awesome. Thank you so much to Mark Savino for hosting us. Check out the ZL1. This car is badass. Look at all that aero. I love the tones on the car. The gold is my favorite touch. So this is super fast car also. And look at this development. We got Mustangs all the way there, and then Mustangs all the way down. Roughly it's going to be 20 minutes to get to classic speed because we have to pass through the inner roads, but decided to come out and film all the cars first before we move over. Hello! And then we got front and center parking. Look how special. There is a Supra amongst the... Oh wait, this is the one we built. So we never released the vlog on this one, but I think we built this. Is it the Street Hunters? Yes, this is the Street Hunter Supra with the HKS wing bag GTR. All right, so this is a clean build. This belongs to Waz, I think. And look at that, slammed, decked out. It's running air suspension, the big Brembos, the wide body kit. Okay, cars all the way till the end here. I love this remote control top. We're here now in classic speed, changing venue. I wonder how many cars are coming. Will it fit? Yeah, we have the whole road. It's Sunday today, so yeah. Love the DRLs. No way. Is that the Joker? That's funny. Grabe. Holy what is happening? I love it. Okay, just trying to park as many cars as we can. I feel bad that we broke up with the rest of the club, but the small roads wasn't making it easy for us to keep the convoy whole. This is a lot. This is strong. My mistake. This was not Waz's car. It's another chameleon car. I really love this setup. Yes, these are all real classics. That's the John Wick right there. And then that's my drift car, Superformance, Cobra, and then the Shelby Daytona lookalike. This has a particular starting order. Pang Fast and the Furious to eh. Nakuha ko na, sold na. That damn signage is not clean yet.
Do you make your own arrow?
Yes and no. I am learning. Alright, the club's leaving. Thank you. Like the color. Looks like a wrap. Boom. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, rolling out. Just gonna say bye to the team. Another successful open house here at Classic Speed. Thank you so much to MEP, to Kandi Palace, Mark Savino, to my team here at Classic Speed. Wow, what a fun-filled day. I'm going to wind down now, head home, and start to edit.